how to create polls in Line. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create polls in the Line app, a super easy way to get everyone's opinion in a group chat. First, launch the Line app and go to the group chat where you want to create the poll. Let me go to my group chat right here, tap on it. At the bottom of the chat, tap the plus icon next to the message box right here, tap on it. Now from the pop-up menu, tap on poll. This will open the poll creation screen right here, tap on it. Okay, you can type in where shall we meet for story and tap on done. Then list out your answer choices. You can usually add multiple options by tapping add option right here, like add your option. Okay, like this. Now you can customize whether people can select multiple answers, if participants can see who voted, and whether to set a deadline for the poll. Okay, pick what works best for your group. You can tap set ending date also, multi-vote also. Okay, now once you are done, tap on this done right here like this. Now you can check the poll results in real time as people vote. Super handy for making quick group decisions. And that's it. Creating polls in Line is fast, easy, and super useful for group planning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.